Change a fraction to a decimal. We divide the numerator, which is the top number, by the denominator, which is the bottom number. So half becomes 1 divided by 2. 2 into 1 you can't, so 0. A decimal point. Add a 0 to a 1. 2 into 10 goes 5. So a half as a decimal becomes 0.5. 2/10 2 divided by 10. 10 to 2 you can't. 0, decimal point. Add a 0 to the 2. 10 into 20 goes 2 times. So 2/10 becomes 0.2. 4/5. 5 into 4 you can't. 0. What's the point? I don't know. 5 into 40 goes 8 times. 3/10 becomes 3 divided by 10. 10 to 3 you can't, so 0, put the point. I don't know. 10 to 30 goes 3 times. So 3/10 is equal to 0.3. 9/20 becomes 9 divided by 20. 20 into 9 you can't, so 0, put a point. I don't know. 20 into 90 goes 4 times. 4 times 20, that gives you 80. And 10 left over. Add a 0. 20 into 100 goes 5 times. So 0.45 is decimal for 9/20. 3/4 becomes 3 divided by 4. 4 into 3 you can't, so point. I don't know. 4 into 30 goes 7. 7 4 is 28. 28. 2 left over. Another 0. 20, another 0. 4 to 20 goes 5.